Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence impacts your daily life? It's driving a revolution, transforming industries and routines. AI automates tasks, optimizes processes, and generates insights in healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. AI possesses the power to address global challenges like climate change, poverty, and disease. Ever noticed how businesses are becoming more efficient and customer-friendly? This is largely due to artificial intelligence software. It's streamlining operations by automating tasks, from data entry to customer service. But it's not just about automation. AI is also providing crucial insights for decision-making and predicting equipment failures for preventive maintenance. Most importantly, AI is personalizing interactions and delivering a superior customer experience. AI is not just about business, it's making strides in healthcare too. It's improving diagnosis accuracy, tailoring treatment plans to the individual, and turbocharging research and drug discovery. With AI, healthcare is becoming more personalized and accurate. The transformative power of AI is not limited to what we see today. Looking forward, AI software holds immense potential for future innovations. From content generation and design assistance to language translation, AI is set to revolutionize these creative domains. The potential of AI for innovation and impact continues to grow. Excited about the future of AI? Keep up with the latest, subscribe, like, and share to stay ahead in the AI revolution.